This question they are saying an object thrown from moving bus is an example of dash. UCM, that is uniform circular motion, rectilinear motion, projectile motion, or a motion in one dimension. So chalo, let's try to solve this. Let's say this is you sitting in a bus. Okay. So your position would be in such a manner. Imagine. Let's support this with the help of what seat. So you would be sitting in such a manner. And let's say if you are throwing any object, or it could be a ball or anything. Okay. So if you are throwing any object, so firstly it will go up and then it will fall down in such a manner. Okay. So it is neither a horizontal motion not a completely vertical motion. What do we call these kinds of motion? These are termed as, yes, very good, projectile motion. Okay. So if you are throwing any objects from bus, that is a moving bus, then it would be nothing but a projectile motion. So I hope you guys are clear with the solution. Thank you.